Well, I broke the handle on my 6-pound split maul last week after 20 years. Finally broke. Had to go buy a new one. Daggone handle's $22, so I just went ahead and bought a new maul. And after 1 day use, I got a problem. See that? That's 1 day. They put that rubber on there because when you split through a log, it tends to booger up the handle as it goes through the log. And so they put that on there hoping to protect it, and it's just Mickey Mouse stuff. They got it on this 8-pounder too, but with that 8-pounder, I just use that to bust the initial break on a big log. Then I go to the 6 to finish it up. Well, I'm gonna have to fix that today because that's never going to last. It'll go through that plastic in no time. Okay, I decided I was gonna glue a piece of metal on that handle today. So let's see if I got anything out here I can use. This is my scrap pile. Yeah, maybe I can use that. I'll start with that anyway. Yeah, that's steel. I don't want to do the job. I'm not sure who the maker is, but looks like this is probably made in China. So, a couple of reasons for the failure. First of all, rubber is not the right material to use, but if you're going to use rubber, it's got to be adhered, and there's no adhesion here. So whatever they used for the adhesive has failed, didn't take. And I'm thinking the rubber is way too soft, needs more carbon black in it, and maybe a different kind. It should be the same kind to use on a tire for the tread. And another thing I found, if you take that and push your fingernail into it, I don't know if you can see it or not, there's still a mark. See that mark? You see the fingerprint or fingernail? That means it's not cured completely. So I'm sure they're trying to protect this plastic, but that's molded on there, and yeah, they protected the plastic, but it didn't cure the rubber. Anyhow, I'm taking that all off of there, at least what I need to get to, and I'm going to put steel in there. Okay, when that glue dries overnight, that'll be plenty strong. Probably last 20 years, just like the last one. And You know, I'm an old guy, but just seems like I didn't have to re-engineer things like I do nowadays. They're just making stuff cheap. And you can't even buy quality stuff, just junk. Anyway, that one's good.